to the secretary, apartment name or landlord name, address of the property, subject, request for permission to carry out renovation work. Dear sir, madam, I am writing to formally seek your permission to carry out renovation work in my flat house located at your flat house number, building, society name. The proposed renovation work includes mention your description of the work, painting, flooring, replacement, kitchen, bathroom, remodeling, electrical plumbing, upgrades. The work is expected to commence on start date of work and be completed by end of date, and will be carried out between the hours of starting time to end time to minimize disturbance to neighbors. All necessary precautions will be taken to ensure safety, cleanliness and compliance with the society rules and regulations. I will ensure that the contractor engaged are informed about and adhere to all guidelines issued by the management. I kindly request you to grant me the necessary approval to proceed with the renovation. Thank you for your considerations. Yours sincerely,